Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the craziness that is my dogs. I haven't filmed in a couple days, so they're a little wound up about it, huh, Jos? Okay. So today we're going to be doing a new kind of video to my channel. It's going to be Ipsy versus Ipsy. I normally just do my regular Ipsy bag, but today I thought I would give this a whirl. I've seen a couple other channels do this, and it's kind of fun to get more makeup and hopefully different kinds of makeup. So yeah, if you don't know, I have a giveaway going on right now. I will put a link to that right below. So if you want to enter the giveaway, go ahead and click that. So if you don't know, let me tell you a little bit about Ipsy. It's $10 a month and you get, let's see, 5 beauty samples personalized to your beauty profile. And then you can earn points to redeem in their store. So when you review the products, you get points, and then you can redeem that for other stuff later on. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop right into it. First, I'm gonna do my regular Ipsy bag, which is this one. And how I know that is I have one addressed to my husband, so that's his bag. All right, so once I have the bag open, it looks just like this. It's like a blue iridescent kind of mermaidy kind of feel bag. There were 2 products on the outside. I don't know. So the first 2 things I have are these masks. They are from a brand called Fresh Garden. One is an acai berry calming mask, and the other one is a pomegranate firming mask. I'm trying to see. I don't know if this brand's cruelty free. I've never heard of it, but I'll put that information down below when I break down the value of the box. So that's the first thing I got. I like masks, so I'm not mad about this. All right, let's see. Once we open the bag, here's the little card. Sorry, my dogs they're in a mood today. Okay. Okay, so anyways, the little card just says July 2018 Ipsy. Let's see, the first thing I see in here is an eyeshadow by Ofra Cosmetics. It is in the shade, I don't see a shade. So it's just a kind of black shimmery eyeshadow. It's like real sparkly. I don't know if you can see that when I move it. Go ahead and swatch it. I do like Ofra. It's actually not really black, it's more like gray, charcoaly. So there's that. It feels really nice and smooth. I don't wear a ton of shades like this, but maybe I'll give it a try. So not mad about that. I like eyeshadow, so that's a good thing. Okay, let's see. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in here is this banana setting powder. Oh, Bella Pierre. Duh, I should have looked at the logo. So let's go ahead. I don't know why it says bananas setting powder, and I think, oh, maybe it smells like bananas. It totally doesn't. All right, finally got this opened up. It is, I've never actually used a banana powder. It feels pretty smooth. I don't know. It says medium. I don't know if I normally use like a translucent one. I do have one tinted one that's by Sonia Kashuk that I don't hate. So I will have to play around this. I never used a banana powder, so we will give this a try. All right. The next thing I'm seeing in here, Bronx. Oh my God, you guys are crazy today. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing in here is an eyeliner by, I think it's an eyeliner, by Sugar. It is in the color Purple Rain. It's cruelty free. I've never heard of this brand. Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Cold Eyeliner. So I'm actually not going to swatch this. There's like 3 colors I really don't like and don't wear, and one of them is purple. So I'm just going to throw this to the side for a future giveaway. Okay, I got one more item in here. And this is lip fondant. trying to see the brand. By Half Caked. Oh, wow. So this is super, super red. The color is called Girl Crush. I'll go ahead and swatch it. I'm trying to see if it says anything about how it dries down. No, but it has like, if you can see that on the lid, it's like a donut that's been bitten out of. It's really cute. So I'll go ahead and swatch this. So it's like super, super bright red, almost orange. Probably not the best color for me, but I will definitely try it. Like summertime is a good time to try out fun colors like that. So yeah, I like this bag overall. Nothing in here that I am mad about. So just one thing that I'm really not going to use just because of the color. But yeah, so that's my normal Ipsy bag. The only thing, because I'm pretty like neutral colors in my normal bag, and this is probably, well, no, this is probably the only thing that wouldn't fit my beauty profile, but I'm still not mad about it. I still like it. So yeah, so that's bag number 1. Let's go ahead and get into bag number 2. The bag is the same. I got the same variation. I think there were 3 color variations this month. I could be wrong, but it's the same bag. Right on the outside, I got 2 more masks. So this one is they're both by Nature Recipe. I got one that is honey and one that is tea tree. These are made in Korea, so these are like the Korean beauty stuff. So yeah. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand, so I'm not sure if it's cruelty free, so I will research that, put the information down below for you if you are interested in that. Let me tell you about this beauty profile too before I get too far into this. This is the one where I picked more adventurous makeup, more bold colors, things like that. So I expect to see more things like this in this bag. So let's see. The first thing I'm seeing here is wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is something by Ella Eden London. It is, I think it's eyeshadow. It's not really telling me what it is, but the color is very, very orange. So I know that I'm not going to wear this, so I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side for a future giveaway as well. But cool to see this in my bag. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is, what is this? It's by Lord & Berry. Looks like it's Mandarin lip liner. So that's what it looks like. Which is so crazy because it almost matches the color of the lip product from my last bag. So yeah, actually we'll swatch this since I want to see how it goes with the lip color. So there it is right above the color. So actually that worked out pretty well. I feel like these go together really nicely. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. The next thing we have is a liquid eyeliner by Eyeko. I have used a mascara from this brand, and it's not bad. This is just a liquid eyeliner in black. I like the packaging. It says, when in doubt, wing it out. That's cute. So it looks like it's just a basic black eyeliner. It's got the felt tip on it. Ooh, it's very, very dark. Wow, that's nice. Very dark. It went on really nicely. Feels like takes a little bit to dry down, but it is drying down pretty, and not a slow pace, so that's nice. Okay, let's see what else. Looks like I have one more thing. One more thing in here. Okay. Oh, this is exciting. Sorry, everything's nicely wrapped in bubble wrap this time. This is the Pacifica Coconut Blush. I actually already own this. I got this in my regular Ipsy bag quite a while ago. It is my favorite blush. I wear it almost every day. Actually, I'm gonna go get mine so I can show you the color. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a blush duo. And this is the color I really, really like. It's like a mauve-y pink kind of, and then this is like a peach blush. It looks kind of nude on camera, but it's peach. Really nice, and then it's got a little mirror on the back if you need it. I love this blush. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this into a giveaway. I think one of you guys will like that too. So yeah, so let's talk about overall. Overall, I like everything I got, really. The only 2 things I'm not gonna use out of the 10 things I got, and that's a orange eyeshadow and a purple liner. I got a couple masks. I got eyeshadows, blush, all sorts of stuff. So I feel like they don't totally match the beauty profiles. Like I got a orange liner that I thought went really well with my Adventurous bag. I thought this would have went well in the Adventurous bag. Then I get a purple liner in my like normal bag, and I feel like the black liner probably would have been better for that. But either way, I'm not mad at anything. It's just fun to get more makeup. I'm not, trying to conduct an experiment and see, does this really, match my beauty profile? I mean, it's nice just to compare things and see, like, I didn't get anything the same, which is surprising because a lot of people do these beauty profiles and these Ipsy versus Ipsies, and they get the same stuff in different bags, and I got no duplicates, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs being crazy in the background, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And let me guys know, what did you get in your Ipsy? Did you like the stuff I got? Did you get any of the same stuff? What was your favorite? And let me know if you liked the Ipsy versus Ipsy. I thought it was kind of fun. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.